Hello everyone, in this video I am gonna show you how to enable or disable developer option on any Android phone. So let's start. First of all, go to settings option, scroll down here, click on additional settings option. As you can see, my phone doesn't have developer option enabled. So let's enable the developer option on the phone. For this, click back and scroll down here. Click on About Phone option. Now tap on Version. Now tap on Build Number 7 times. Developer option enable. You can see here. Let's back again. Now go to additional settings option once again. Scroll down here. You can see here developer option enable on my Android phone. Now from here you can enable, disable any option and also adjust various settings from here to make your phone run smoothly. If you want to turn off the developer option, you can turn it off easily by clicking here. You can see that the developer option is no longer visible in the additional setting. It has been disabled. In this way, you can easily enable or disable developer option on any Android phone. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and stay connected with us.